Withdrawing cryptocurrency from your Tangem wallet involves transferring funds to another wallet or exchange. Here's how to do it. Open the Tangem wallet. Launch the Tangem app on your smartphone. Ensure that your Tangem card is connected and ready to use. Navigate to the Send section. In the app, go to the Assets or Wallet tab where your cryptocurrencies are stored. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Copy the recipient's address. If you're sending funds to another wallet, ensure you have the recipient's wallet address. Open the recipient's wallet and copy the address. Enter the withdrawal details. In the Tangem app, tap on the Send option. Paste the recipient's wallet address into the To field. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Confirm and sign a transaction. Double-check the recipient's address and the amount. Tap on Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. You may need to authenticate using your Tangem card or a security method to sign the transaction. Wait for confirmation. The withdrawal will be processed, and after confirmation on the blockchain, the funds will be sent to the recipient.